Bestone Jewelry, established in 2006, is one of the biggest exporters of fashion jewelries and accessories in China. Bestone Jewelry has been a group company including designing, producing, packing, exporting during the last 10 years. In our head office, Shijiazhuang, we have a 20,000 meter square office building, 2,000 meter square working shops and warehouses, 200 full-time skillful workers, and 800 to 1,000 home workers. We mainly produce and supply beads and findings for DIY jewelry, such as semi-precious stone beads, glass beads, metal beads, pearl beads, resin beads, acrylic beads, and so on. Besides our own stone factory, Bestone also has joint venture glass factories, metal factories, plating factories, pearl and shell factories, resin factories, etc. Bestone Gems factory is good at cutting, molding, dyeing, and polishing round and faceted beads, fancy findings, and home decors. We also have joint venture glass and metal factories that can make designs, open molds, produce goods, plate beads, and findings. Furthermore, we also have nearly 200 supplier partners with long-term and steady win-win relationship. We hold vendor conference every year to make the standard and procedure for production process to assure the quality control, commending the outstanding ones and weeding out the weak ones to keep the core competence. Our annual sales are nearly $20 million and are continually increasing 15% per year. Our customers are from 30 countries all over the world, including some big top chain stores, such as Michaels, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Joann in USA, Daiso, Do Best in Japan, Gaifi, and Optima in Europe, Spotlight in Australia, and so on. Bestone has Beijing office, Shenzhen branch, and wholesaling centers there. Bestone Jewelry has a professional team of design and research. OEM and ODM are both workable. We emphasize the quality very much. We have our own QC and QA team. We bought professional machine of X-ray and UX210 for physical test before sending the items to SGS or BV for chemical test to keep all the items reach the standard of Europe and USA. At the same time, we have certificate of ISO 9001, Walmart Audit, and Disney Audit. From 2009, Bestone Jewelry began to open Bestone retail chain stores in China, selling luxury jewels, fashion jewelries, and DIY kits to Chinese younger generations. Till now, we have had 50 stores in many cities, including Beijing, Shenzhen, Nanjing, Hangzhou, Xining, etc. We know and try to satisfy the demand of the final individual consumers. Color, design, and size can be made to customer need. Bestone Jewelry has customer service center to pay much attention to the complaints and claims. We try our best to promise replacement and replenishment in order to help our customers win the market at home and abroad. Bestone Jewelry is aiming for Centurial Bestone and Happy Bestone, and high quality, good service, innovation, ultimate are our main sense of worth. we would like to offer considerate service to our clients. Create forever and pursues excellence. Trying something impossible to reach the top class of fashion. Besides the sales itself, Bestone did a lot on human rights and staff's welfare. Excellent employees travel abroad every year. Full regular physical examination. Sport games twice a year. Cars as bonus for special contributors, and so on. In order to take more social responsibility, Bestone Jewelry launched a charity event in 2013 named Walk for Dream and took the lead in donations of RMB 1 million. Till July in 2016, we had arrived Lhasa, Tibet by walking 4,000 kilometers. During 2013 through 2016, we have gathered RMB 8 million to help 4,000 people, including needy students, hairless elders, orphans, disabled guys, and 300 of them will be continually sponsored. Bestone Jewelry would like to do better, better and best, such as the name of Bestone, B-Stone, Best Stone, Best One.